What's up, guys? I know it's been a very, very, very long time since I did a video like this. But it is semi-annual sale time, okay? It's that time of the year, and I done got me a package, y'all. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, something I haven't done in a very long time, because I do not remember the boxes looking like this, like with this little pull tab thing. But let's get into it. I hope I can do this with one hand. Y'all, this feels kind of different. I'm just gonna set this up here and then just pull out the stuff as I go. Okay. I haven't done this in so long, you guys. Like, I feel new. I feel new all over again. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this bag that I got. This was like $7. I just thought it was so cool, like the basket looking thing. I don't know what the heck that's supposed to mean, but it's like it has the zipper. I hope there's a strap in here because it's supposed to be like a crossbody bag. What is this? Oh, okay, yeah, it does have a strap. So this is so cool and like springtime-y, and it's just so fun, and it's stuffed with all this paper stuff. I mean, this is important, but I got all the paper out. Oh, this little fun thing. I wonder if my phone can do that. It's just weirdly, it kind of pokes out a little bit, but I'll make it work somehow. But yes, it does come with a strap, so that's good. Okay, let me pull out the next thing. I kind of forget, like, what I bought, so this is going to be, like, a little bit surprise for me. I do remember some things that I bought, but okay. This is Fresh Jungle Rain. What are the notes? The notes are rain-kissed palms, Amazon, dragon fruit, and misty breeze. And it says, venture to a treehouse escape among the lush greens of a tropical rainforest. Your island resort awaits. Let me do a little sniffy test. A little sniffy whiffy. It smells familiar. Like, I feel like I smelled this before. It's kind of hard to explain what it smells like. To me, it just smells like a regular, like, perfume scent. I don't know. Something about it has like tropically islandy something. I feel like I can smell that a little bit in there. But yeah, I like this. I really do like the bottle though. This bottle is like me all the way. I like that. Okay, what else did I get? I got Saltwater Breeze. What is that? I got Saltwater Breeze. This is my first time ever trying Saltwater Breeze. I've heard many good things about this scent. Y'all might it's like allergies. I gotta keep clearing my throat. But I've heard many good things about Saltwater Breeze, and I'm so excited that I get to actually have this in my collection. So let me see. The notes are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. And it says, wander into a world of serene nature where the soft breeze follows. Oh, the soft breeze flows. Fresh rain falls and water flowers bloom. It's kind of hard to see because the glare. Let's do a little sniffy whiffy test. Ooh. I like that. You know what it kind of reminds me of? I'm sorry, but people probably won't agree with me. Maybe you will, but I think it smells like new sneakers. Like in the box. Like that really fresh smell. It just reminds me of that, like that smell, and like it has like the paper and stuff in there. Interesting. It's a very fresh scent. I do like it. I like this bottle. Oh my gosh. This bottle is everything. What else did I get? Oh, I got one of the new scents, the lemon pound cake. Scent notes are sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, and fluffy pound cake. Like a classic pound cake, delicately blended with fresh ingredients, it's the perfect sweet treat. Yep. Let's take a sniffy whiff. Oh, y'all. What? This smells like... I feel like... Oh my gosh. Yes, this smells like... This smells like that pound cake with like the lemon pound cake. Exactly what it says. It smells like that to me. Yum. Oh, I feel like I want to get some now. Where can I go to get some? Ooh, that smells really good. I like this. I like that a lot. And I think, oh, I got 2 more things in here. So, another scent I got from that same collection is this right here, the Sweet Petal Pound Cake. Scent notes are candied rose, raspberry swirl, and frosted bundt cake. And it just says the same thing. I was kind of skeptical about getting this because of the candied rose scent, but I was like, I hope it smells like candied rose and not just rose. And I hope the other scent notes like kind of blend together nicely and make like this rose cake smell. Let me see. Oh. So I am smelling rose, but it's not a strong rose smell. It smells more, it's like candied rose, I feel like. Like, I don't really smell the cake at all. I don't smell frosted bundt cake. Maybe the raspberry swirl and like mixed with the candied rose, it kind of made the rose scent like not as strong. And I'm happy about that because I was probably gonna cry if the rose was too like rosy. But I like this. It's not too strong either. Like the scent, it's like a very light scent to me. I like that. Sweet Petal Pound Cake. I wonder how like the cream and stuff smells. But yeah, that's that. And the last thing I got was this pack of what is this called? Oh, the pocket back. This was like $4, I think. And I got it in the scent Pineapple Sunrise, I believe. Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Yes, I love this scent, you guys. Like, this scent, it's just so good. Like, I got the fragrance mist and the body cream from last year, and I was like, I have to get this. Oh, look at the little toucans. Look at the little toucans. Okay, let me get a whiffy whiff. Very pineapple-y. This smells exactly like juicy pineapple. This is gonna be my favorite. I should have bought like a little pocket back thingy-mabob, but whatever. Maybe when some more go on sale. There was like this pineapple one that had went on sale, and it was like lit up, but I didn't get it. But yeah, this is my haul, you guys. My unboxing. This is all I got. There is another package I got coming soon. And actually, I probably should have put this in this same video, but I did go in store and I shopped around a little bit, but I only got like 3 things. Maybe I'll put that haul with the next unboxing video. If I remember. But yeah, you guys, I apologize for my clearing of the voice. It's like still allergy season, kind of, even though we are in June, but it's still lingering around. Um, but yeah, this is all the things that I got. Oh, almost forgot. This is all the things that I got. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you, if you like this video, like it. Subscribe if you want to. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.